Good morning, children. In our previous class, we have learned about the illiteracy, right? In this class, we are going to learn about some more problems. What are the problems are there in our India? In that, the second one is untouchability. Okay. In our India, certain groups were treated like untouchables by the society. Understood? Based on the caste system, some of the groups are treated like untouchability by the society. Okay, first of all, what is untouchability? Discrimination based on caste system is called untouchability. Understood? Discrimination based on caste system is called untouchability. That means differentiating the people based on the caste system by the society is nothing but untouchability. Understood? To solve this problem, so many people, great people has worked on this. Buddha, Gandhi and Basaveshwara, Ambedkar, like these great reformers has worked on this problem to resolve this problem. Clear? See, to resolve this problem, Gandhi has followed one way and other people has followed the other ways. Like this, the different people has followed the different ways to solve this problem. See, to solve, Gandhiji has treated this problem as a social evil. That means it is not a one single person's problem. It is like a social evil. That means entire society problem. Gandhiji has considered this untouchability as the entire society problem, and these people Gandhiji has called as Harijans. Understood? Gandhiji will call these people like Harijans. And Ambedkar has followed the other way. How Ambedkar has tried to solve this problem means, see, our constitution is written by Dr. Ambedkar. This already we know everyone, right? While writing only, the Ambedkar has written some of the articles for resolve these problems. Understood? He has adopted in our constitutional he has adopted better constitution measures to solve this problem. Understood? And he used to tell what is the law and order, whatever it may be, everything is same for every people. Understood? Like this way, he has started solving this problem. To solve this problem, the Dr. Ambedkar will used to tell progress of the Dalit. Dalit in the sense here, the Dr. Ambedkar has used the name Dalit for this untouchability people. Okay. What he used to tell means progress of Dalit is our social responsibility. That means each and every person's responsibility to solve this Dalit problem. See, some remedial measures to resolve this problem. What are the measures has taken by him? See, what are the remedial measures has taken by him? Just we will see. This the first one is by using the Article 17. Article 17 means, you know, right? One point they will mention like a article in our constitutional measures, right? See, in Article 17, he declared untouchability that means any person is following this untouchability means they are strictly punishable by the government. Understood? That means in front of the law and order, it is very strictly punishable. That article he has rule he has mentioned in the Article 17. And also he has provided compulsory seats. For example, in the elections, see, for everywhere, that means See, in elections, that means, for example, based on the population, every state is declared some number of seats for the MLAs, MPs, right? In that also, must and should, some majority of seats compulsory has given to the this SC, ST people. SC, ST people only they will treat like a untouchables. Understood? For that reason he has declared this is must and should in what is that elections also. Their contribution is must and should. He has mentioned like that. Understood? Not only that one, he has given the what is that equal priority while taking the government employments, whatever it may be, the jobs everywhere. Some reservation seats are allocated only for them. For example, some others are getting the majority of marks, that means 90%, 95% is there also. Sometimes we will not get those type of people. They got the 50% or 60% of marks or whatever it may be, they will get the seats. Why? Because everywhere in jobs, elections, everywhere they has declared some majority of seats for this Dalits. Understood? Not only those rules, see, the Dr. Ambedkar has established some of the codes, especially he has developed some of the codes for resolving only these type of problems. Understood? In this way, the Dr. Ambedkar has given the so many facilities for the Dalits to improve themselves. See, because of these results, those type of people are they are educated, means they can come in any way, any sector. That means politically they can come, and what is that understood, in every sector. That means in the government field or what is that political field, everywhere they are growing. Understood? These are the measures are taken by the Dr. Ambedkar, and he tried to resolve this problem in this way. Okay, children, our next third problem is population explosion. Okay, population explosion in the sense too much of population growth. This is also a biggest problem. This is not only our problem, this is almost throughout the world has facing this problem. Okay, see, we will think we can't, population growing is very fast, we can't control this problem, but by taking the some of the measures we can control somehow, like a family planning. Like this, they will start taking the some of the measures, we can somehow we will control our population growth. See,